Welcome to the live stream. Fortunately, my dash cam is in the way a little bit, but you'll get the point. Here, let's turn the fan down so you can hear me. Anybody out there? Hello? We're live, but we don't have anybody yet. But they watch it later.
Yeah.
No, here. Let me close the garage door. So the driveway is 100% ice. The car was 100% ice. I am currently taking Denver to the library because he works. He does school from the library on Tuesday mornings. So we are headed there. And hopefully my camera stays on the dash. So the road in the neighborhood and my driveway and sidewalk was 100% ice. So here we go. It's kind of actually nice to have the snow on top because
there's only one car track.
Traction. Ankeny schools apparently didn't delay or cancel today.
So kids had to walk?
Kids had to walk on this slippery ice. They probably fell down.
Oh, it disconnected from our Wi-Fi.
Yep, it's switching though. Hey, my mom's watching. Hi, Mom! So, here we go. There's a couple cars.
You can see them. They went over.
My tires are completely spinning. And I have all-wheel drive traction control.
I should have driven.
So this is the neighborhood. So you should have driven. I'm being good for you.
I've never driven on ice or snow.
It's true. Well, we'll see if Magazine is any better. Because these side streets can get pretty bad. The biggest thing you got to watch out for, look, they sprayed that road, is you got to watch out for other people not being able to stop. So, like, even if you're, like, going to drive perfect, which you don't always, but are other people going to slide into you, not be able to stop, light changes? I wonder if the main roads aren't as bad. Because you can see where they sprayed, it doesn't seem as bad. Like, even this road doesn't seem as bad as ours.
More people drove on it.
Oh, my mom says Ballard was canceled. Huxley.
Ballard Creek.
Well, Ballard is the name of the school, too. Well, it's the city of Huxley. Look at that car, completely covered in ice.
Is Huxley small?
Yep. Look at this road. This road is fine. So here's Magazine. Completely fine. They sprayed it. So that's probably why they didn't cancel school. It's called brine, salt? But it's basically liquid, or it's liquid salt, water, salt mixture. Salt lowers the freezing temperature of water.
And the boiling point raises.
And the boiling point. Raises or lowers?
Raises. Because it's harder for stuff to boil and freeze if there's salt in it, or actually anything.
Huh.
Because it's harder for the molecules to bond to freeze, and it's harder for them to hit each other to boil.
Interesting. I've heard of people throwing like a sprinkle of salt in their water when it boils. They say to make it boil faster. But it was always kind of like a wives' tale. That guy's walking. What's he doing? He's just walking. He didn't fall down.
He strolled.
That's ice, though. I mean, he's walking on
He has blue hair.
He does have blue hair. Rotate your phone. That's how hard we shook back there. Just told me to rotate your phone. Well, let's see, that right lane is icy. But this is like totally fine. Okay, we're currently at Ankeny Boulevard and Magazine, headed west. Again, mostly thawed. The turning lane here on the right is... We sound weird? What do we sound like? I'm eating a granola bar, is that why? Or does our voice sound weird? Is the microphone messed up? Is Bluetooth connected? Something wrong? Bluetooth? Yeah, maybe that's why. How about now? Now do we sound better? I think it was using the Bluetooth microphone in the car. I just disabled it. Maybe his voice is deeper because his voice changed.
Yeah, and you're eating. So we just both sound deeper.
No, I think it's because he's using this mic right here.
Oh.
Because it was Bluetooth. Can you hear me now? Do we sound amazing now? See, some of this, there's ice some places, like the turning lanes are definitely ice. But this road is completely thawed. But watch, when we get in the parking lot, I bet it's completely ice. Oh, she said fine now. Thanks for the feedback. We were connected to the Bluetooth of the car. He was using the Bluetooth microphone. Kind of late to turn your signal on now, bud. You're already in our lane, bud. How'd you like to be the FedEx driver today?
Not fun. But most of the, well, I guess you're going to like neighborhoods where it's probably not thought.
I'm guessing they got like...
And they have to, do they have to go up every person's driveway?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that would be so horrible.
I wonder if they have like special shoes that have got like spikes or like rubber.
Just have good balance.
See, like right here's ice, so you wouldn't want to like crank it and then go straight.
Yeah.
No. Only Denver is with me. So what? We homeschool, and so on Tuesdays and Fridays, we take Denver to the library so he can work in one of their little private rooms to get his high school work done, because he can work on his own, and our house is really loud and crazy and children and distracting. So, you know, I take him here. This is actually kind of sprayed. Wow. You're late, dude.
Yeah.
30 minutes late. Got a 30-minute delay for school.
Yep.
Well, have a great day, and I'll be back around lunchtime.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, it's windy.
Yeah, I see that. Come on, bro. Couldn't get the door shut. Make sure the library is open and he can get inside. But there's lots of cars. Very windy right here. Can he get the door open? Oh, yeah, he got it. He works out. Okay. Let's test some other roads. I'm guessing main roads are fine. It's these side roads. Like right here. This is ice. Our driveway was definitely ice. I ran out the garage and slid. Whee! Down. Let's go this way. All the way down the driveway. Out into the street. So it's definitely ice on everything. It is kind of cool though. I remember back in the day, you know, being a kid, and we'd have ice storms, and it would just like shut the whole place down because they didn't have, it just pour salt and sand on the road, but it wouldn't work like this. I mean, this is still icy. This is not ice. Kind of a mixture. Which is kind of worse, because then you're like, oh, it's totally fine. And then you turn and the next road is ice. And then the next road is water. Let's not hit anybody. This is a horrible design right here. Just cram all these cars in here and hope the door doesn't open. So, in the comments below, tell me, is your school canceled today? Your district canceled? Work canceled? I heard, so Ankeny didn't cancel at all or delay. I heard Grandview Christian School delayed and then fully canceled. I heard DMAC canceled. So the college canceled, but the local school district didn't. I'm guessing that's because a lot of students travel into DMAC. Oh, anti-lock brakes just kicked in. But see, the road seems fine, but like this guy. Is he gonna? Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. That guy about took the corner too fast and hit me in the side. Woo! I saw that coming. So that's the bad thing about front-wheel drive is when you go to turn and you can't gun it, because when you gun it, you lose traction. Your tires just start spinning and you just drift straight forward. Whew. That gave me a little adrenaline rush there. I thought I was getting it right in the side door. But I did not. If you're wondering, because I'm sure you are, I have 4 dash cams. Well, 2 dual dash cams. So I have one going out the front, one coming into the cab, then one out the back door, back window, and then one out the back right window. Because it's a dual dash cam. So, like, what was I supposed to do? I just had to stick it somewhere. Okay, here we go. Plus, we have the iPhone rolling. It's too bad I can't do like a wide angle with the iPhone. You should be able to pick which lens you're using. Come on, Facebook, get that in there. Can I zoom? I can zoom in. Why can't I go wide angle? Come on, come on. I can switch cameras, but that's about it. Okay, well, this road is fine. Just like I was saying earlier, you gotta watch out for other people, not just your own self. As my grandparents would say, watch the crazies. Definitely not a lot of traffic right now. I mean, it is 9:30, but usually there's lots of cars. This is not slick. Let's take the back road. Let's see how slick the back road is. So we're gonna turn up here and take the neighborhood. Let's see how it is. Mallory! You guys are gonna get a big storm, aren't you? I heard there's like lots of inches coming up there this week. Today and tomorrow, is that right? Like, it was predicted to be like, 3 to 5 inches for 2 days. Don't worry, we got a little ice and everybody canceled. Come on, focus. Why isn't it focused? It's focusing on my dash cam. Why are you doing that? Don't do that. Focus on the road. Focus on where I'm touching on the screen. Why can't you do that? What is your problem? Let's do this. Boop. Okay, well that works. Hello, everyone! Okay, now it's focused. Sup? It's looking pretty weak right now. We got maybe 3 inches yesterday. Oh, okay. And in Wisconsin, we don't cancel for that. Stop focusing on the dash cam. Thank you. Okay. We need to get over here. Because we're going to go into the back way. I have a feeling this is going to be slick. Even this turning lane might be slick. It looks like it's got a little overspray on it. But this is going to be slick right here. We got some sand down. And a little bit of spray, it looks like. This isn't horrible. It is getting pretty impressive how much they're taking care of the roads. They dump lots of sand right here, which is great until I get on my motorcycle. But it helps, because I probably would have been stuck right there. Think if they would spray nothing, put nothing down, you'd be stuck. Look at this road. This road's all sprayed and everything. Well, come on. I wanted a fun back road with ice. See, I wonder if they're spraying this, though, with liquid, or they're just like a sand-salt mix. Because it doesn't seem as melted as the main roads. It's just no fun anymore. All-wheel drive cars, salt, sand, spray. Almost did get T-boned though, but it would have been minor. Thankfully, he realized what was happening, and I pulled forward at the same time. So. I definitely think if you wanted to go out, you certainly could. Most roads are fine. I mean, I don't know what it's like outside the city limits, but... Well, I mean, like out where the wind's blowing and stuff, but... I mean, right now I'm in the county, and everything is just fine. Like, look at this. This is completely fine. Ooh, I got a little slippage there. Oh, analog brakes. Okay, it's not completely fine. That was full brakes. So, that's slick. It's a little deceiving. Speed limit's also 30. I'm glad you guys can't see my heads-up display. That'd be kind of cool, though. This is where you give yourself some nice braking distance. Okay. Or like, let's not drift around the corner. Okay, well, we're almost to work. I still would advise that you'll be fine. You'll be fine. The roads are good. The back roads are good. Everything's good. You're all going to be okay. Oh, look, the co-op. The co-op didn't cancel. I heard they delayed a little bit. They did not cancel. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. I'm careful. Don't worry, Mom. I'm careful. Where did we cancel? Somebody said it's really light. What? It's really light snow right now. All schools in Wisconsin around here are canceled. Projected to get some more today. Possibly a lot. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. Isn't this so exciting? This is what I do every day. Pull in here, back in here. Make the decision of whether I should fold in my mirrors, which I will today because it's a homeschool co-op day. And you know, sometimes things happen. I'm just going to work. Let's check out the parking lot. Although Mark's got it pretty salted and sanded. But let's check it out. Let's just see how icy it could have been. How potentially bad it could be. Let me get this dash cam out of here. This camera. Cut that. Let's switch it around because I'm sure you want to see up my nose. There you go. Turn off the car. Okay, that's ice. Yep, see? Straight up ice. Backpack. My kids are watching. Mom took your Valentine's candy. Some of it. Gave it to me and bring it to work. I should probably lock my door. You know, it's pretty dangerous here at the church. Someone will steal my car. So yeah, that's pure ice. This all helps a little bit. There, it's melted. Oh, Mark's got it all nice and salty and sanded, and it's still slick. There's not much you can do. Okay, well, have a nice day, everyone. Thanks for watching. If I can hit the finish button without dropping my